Okay, here on February 18th, okay, just noticing the changes of resistance. Watch this on T3. There it is. There's a short right here. This bundle overheated. There it is. So just by me moving this around, now I can start to see why right here there's a short right in here. These wires have been overheated and the jacketing has been compromised. Insulation jacketing has been compromised. So, okay, I'm going to strip that back. There it is right there. See, it just jumped. This is going from wire to ground. And I actually got it's zero now at the moment, but yeah, it's no wonder this thing shut down. Did its job, you know. The controllers definitely did their job by safeguarding, because this could have just exploded. And I can actually kind of feel it too. Hear that? Wow. Didn't like that. Okay, so I definitely think it's warranted to pull that apart and inspect and rewire.